In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create, schedule, and manage events and trigger announcements with CMZ. So, let's get started. Step 1. Creating an event. First, go to the Events section in your admin portal, then choose Create. Add your event details, image, title, description, occurrence details, date, and time. Then click on Save and Next. If your event has a physical location, enter it or select it on the map. For virtual events, you can directly connect your preferred online meeting platform or simply add a custom meeting link for participants to join. You can also select both options if your event is available online and at a physical location. Next, choose whether your event requires tickets. If not, you can skip it. If so, you can create multiple tickets now. Select from free or paid options. Fill in the details. Set a time for your listing to go live. Scheduling and preview your ticket. You can also add relevant tags to your event. These improve your SEO and AIO, helping to automatically boost your visibility and participation. All steps are done and it's ready to publish. You can also view how your event appears on the mobile app and the web app, and share it with a shareable link. Your users will also receive a mobile notification and email with the event details, ticket information, and reminders. Step 2. Viewing event insights. To track your event's performance, hover over your event in the dashboard and click Insights. Here you can see ticket sales, number of attendees, and other analytics. You can also scan tickets at the venue or manually check in guests to manage entrance, all from this dashboard. After publishing, you can still edit your event at any time and update the title, dates, and more. Step 3. Sending announcements and updates. Let's look at how to send announcements to your community. From the dashboard, go to Announcements, add Announcement. Give title, your message, select from publishing options, and click Continue. Once the announcement is triggered, your community will automatically be notified, and the announcement will be visible on the mobile app, website, and TV displays. That's how you can manage events and announcements in CMZ efficiently. So are you ready to simplify your community management? Sign up using the link in the description and start creating events, sending announcements, and keeping your community informed, all from one centralized portal.